reach out and ask a question. Are you having these problems? And I'm going to explain what they are with your Udemy course. I had until a few days ago nearly 30 courses on Udemy, but several of them, and probably about a dozen, were small, high quality courses, but they haven't been selling. And by small, I mean an hour and a half or so, maybe 30, 40 lectures. Now, my online courses masterclass, which is truly, it's nearly 200, or it was around 200 lectures, actually sold really well to start with. I think in 1 month I sold about $1,500 worth of courses, but in the last year it has really tailed off, and I know it needs updating. I hadn't actually done anything to it since May 2018, and that's a mistake straight off. So I'm also finding that I'm facing quite strong competition in that niche, particularly in the online courses niche, from other very high quality courses. I mean, I've got complete respect for them, but I've got to up my game. So I need to do something about it. Now, what I'm doing is starting to re-energize my students. I need to consolidate, I think, a lot of these small courses, which are simply not getting any traction, into this one course to really give it a strong market position. Now, it does need more reviews, and that's going to have to come over time because there's no fast way of getting them. But if you get more people to the courses and more interest in the course, then it's going to get more traction. So the focus, I think, has got to be now on excellence in Udemy and substantial complexity of excellence. So it's not any good now just having a very short course unless it's amazingly niche or you've got an amazingly active student body. And really focus on maximizing the value for your students. So I think where Udemy is going, and I'd be interested to know if you feel the same, that you need to have larger, more complex courses with high numbers of students, lots of good reviews, and at least a sort of 4.5 rating. And without that, you're simply not going to come high enough in the algorithm to really capture the audience. Now, one of the things I will do, and I have started doing for this online course is actually going back in and reviewing the course description and the SEO, particularly looking at Udemy Insights to double check that my keywords and things are still relevant. I need to create reasons for students to want to enroll. So I need to engage with them. I need to start asking them questions. I need to send them out stuff. I'm slightly nervous still about using educational announcements because Udemy is so touchy about them. But I sent an offer out this morning, and we'll see how well that competes. And that offer's gone out to all the people in my online courses, telling them that actually their course is going to get consolidated into the masterclass. So they're about to be able to get, if they go into the masterclass, they're going to get access to nearly 300 lectures, and encouraging them to, for the best price, to sign up to it. I definitely need to make sure that my larger courses have got responses to the reviews, because that looks really bad, I think, if the reviews are there and there's no responses to them. So I've started to do that. And obviously getting the educational announcements out there, I think, is going to have to be a part of the strategy. So some off Udemy promotions I'm going to put in place. And the idea there is to get some traffic flowing from outside of Udemy back to Udemy to show Udemy that I'm making an effort to market my courses, and hopefully I'll get some credit for that as well. So that's really where I'm at with my sort of Udemy course portfolio, and I'd be very interested to understand what you think. And are you finding these problems? Have you gone back and looked at your courses recently to see how your sales of particular courses have been over the last 12 months? And if you've got courses which have become, a bit quiet and the sales have tailed off, what are you going to do about it?